Have you ever wondered about the enigmatic land known as Afghanistan? The country that is often seen through the lens of conflict and turmoil, but holds a rich history and vibrant culture that is as old as civilization itself. Afghanistan, the landlocked nation nestled in Central and South Asia, has a timeline that stretches back to the Middle Paleolithic era. This land has been home to various peoples, a testament to its strategic location and cultural importance. Traces of human habitation dating back at least 50,000 years have been uncovered, revealing the long and diverse history of this region. The birth of the modern state of Afghanistan began in the 18th century with the establishment of the Durrani Afghan Empire. This marked a significant turning point for the region, setting the stage for its contemporary history. Yet, as the centuries rolled on, the country found itself at the crossroads of conflict and upheaval. The late 1970s ushered in a period of intense warfare, with coups, invasions, insurgencies, and civil wars, leaving indelible marks on the nation's psyche. The Taliban, a group that would become synonymous with Afghanistan in the eyes of the world, controlled most of the country from 1996 to 2001. A return to power occurred in 2021, a reminder of the cyclical nature of Afghanistan's recent history. But Afghanistan is not just a land of conflict, it is also a place of immense natural wealth. It is rich in resources, boasting reserves of lithium, iron, zinc, and copper. Yet despite this wealth, it grapples with high levels of terrorism, poverty, and child malnutrition, remaining one of the world's least developed countries. The name Afghanistan translates to land of the Afghans or land of the Pashtuns in a historical sense. Yet its cultural heritage is diverse, influenced by various religions including Zoroastrianism, Buddhism, Hinduism, and Islam. To summarize, Afghanistan is a land of contrasts and contradictions. It is a nation with a rich history that stretches back tens of thousands of years, a land of diverse cultures and religions, and a country rich in natural resources. Yet it is also a place that has been marked by conflict and poverty. It is a land that has witnessed the rise and fall of empires, the ebbs and flows of power, and the resilience of its people. This, in essence, is Afghanistan, a country that is much more than the headlines it often makes, a land of rich history, vibrant culture, and untapped potential.